straight towards us. Oh, he's a good one. Don't move too much, Julianna. Just wait. Just be patient. I don't want to scare him or make him nervous. Oh, look at him.
We can't see him. Just be still.
He's about 40 yards away. He's coming. He's coming. Oh, look at him. Be quiet, guys. Oh, man. Can she see him?
No, because we do.
He's coming. He's beckoning. He's coming straight toward us.
Julianna.
Oh, that's a dandy.
Now shoot just like that. It'll come right through there.
Don't move too much, guys. He's still coming. That's a big bird. Can you see him?
No.
Just keep calm.
Right there. Hold on. He's gonna come right through that window.
Don't move much.
Get ready for your hand. I'm not tripping.
Just be still, guys. Don't move a lot.
We can't shoot him.
It's okay. Be okay. He's still coming. He's still coming.
Hold on, turn it up.
He's strutting around. He's about 30 yards from me. As soon as he comes through that road, you guys might get a shot at him.
We got this stupid window in the way.
Yeah. He should be coming. He's looking this way. He's close enough to shoot. You guys just can't see him, huh? He's coming. He's coming. Oh gosh, he's about 20 yards away from me.
Yeah. Is he going towards you?
Hold on. Yeah, kinda. Hold on, just stay there. Don't move too much. He's coming this way. He's coming your way. He's coming your way. Just be patient for now. He's like heading towards the decoys, but he's just standing still right now. He's looking at us.